Hello and welcome, I'm Beatrice, and today's class is a very short morning class, a little bit of self-care you can practice in the morning before the start of your day. You won't need any props for this class, so when you're ready, come on the mat and practice with me. We'll start this class simply by coming to any comfortable seated position, softening the gaze down or closing off the eyes and bringing the hands and arms to the most comfortable position. And taking a moment before the start of our day and the start of our movement to take some intentional breaths. Noticing how it feels. To focus our attention just on the breath, even for a few moments. On your next breath in, reach your arms up, float your eyes open. And on your breath out, take your right arm down and your left arm up and over to the side. And let your head come to any comfortable position. Take 5 full breaths here. Breathe in, reach your arms back up. And as you breathe out, left arm comes down, right arm reaches up and over. 5 breaths. Breathe in, back up. And this time as you breathe out, reach the right arm forward, left arm back. And then you can let the left hand come to your knee and your right arm behind you. Come into your twist here. 5 breaths here as well. So either look down or look over your right shoulder. On your next breath in, reach your arms back up and come around the other way. Left arm forward, right arm back, breathe out. And once you're ready, take your right hand to your left knee and your left arm behind you. And either look out to the side, or if your neck allows and you prefer to do that, look over your left shoulder. Come through to center and make your way up to hands and knees for a little bit of a gentle flow. So take your hands under your shoulders and your knees under your hips. This flow starts and includes downward dog. Now if you don't want to take downward dog, you're welcome to take some extra cat and cows. So take your hands a little bit wider than your shoulders and a little bit farther forward than you would in a cat and cow. Tuck your toes, and as you exhale, send the hips up and back to your first downward dog here. Let your head drop And look back towards your feet. Breathe in. Breathe out. Take your knees to the ground. Breathe in. Drop the belly. Arch the back. Look forward. Breathe out. Round the spine. Breathe in. Take your spine back to neutral. Untuck your toes and breathe out to a child's pose. Take 3 breaths here. If you can, think of lifting the elbows off the ground, spreading the fingers wide. Breathe in, reach through to hands and knees, tuck your toes. Breathe out to downward dog. Breathe in here. Breathe out, let the knees come down. Breathe in, arch the back. Come to cow. Breathe out, round the back into cat. Breathe into your neutral spine and breathe out back to child's pose. Reach your arms forward. Nice strong arms here. Elbows off the ground. Maybe even think of spreading the shoulder blades away from each other. Breathe in back through hands and knees. Tuck your toes. Breathe out to downward dog. Breathe in here. Breathe out. Let the knees gently come down to the ground. Breathe in. Arch the back. Look forward. Breathe out. Round the back. Breathe into center. And breathe out. Let's all come to child's pose. Doesn't matter if your hips don't touch the heel, stop whenever you need to. And this time relax your arms, relax your head. And take 5 full breaths here. Come up to hands and knees when you're ready, and back to seated. As you come to settle on your seated position, breathe in, reach your arms up. Take your palms together and breathe out to the center of your chest. And either finish here or bow down and thank yourself for this time on the mat. Thank you for practicing with me today. I hope you have a nice rest of the day. And if you enjoy this video, please like and subscribe and share with your friends and family. Thank you.